Premloka Tamil movie summary. Ravi is a happy-go-lucky college student who lives with his parents Govardhan Rao and Girija, but considers his maid Shardamma as his family as he never felt loved by his parents due to their business schedules. One day, Ravi accidentally meets Shashikala at the market. He meets her again at his college and learns that she is a newly joined student. On the occasion of the college's Diamond Jubilee, the college director wishes to hold a ceremony in order to celebrate and get donations. The principal's suggestion of a small puja is rebuked and the college professor Manohar is chosen to plan a grand spectacle with the other students. A motorcycle gang tries to derail the planning, but they are held off and the stage is set up without a hitch. However, Shashikala is accosted by the gang and has to hide, where she runs into Ravi. The preparations continue, where the gang again harass the students and all hope seems lost after they beat up the students who stand in their way. However, a mysterious biker rescues them and beats up the gang. Shashikala falls in love with him and receives the biker's jacket. Shashikala continues to reject Ravi's advances while fantasizing over the mysterious biker. During the night of the show's musical performance, the gang comes back to disrupt the after-party and Shashikala ends up fainting from the chaos. The biker again saves the students and Shashikala regains consciousness and sees him. The biker reveals himself as Ravi. Though hesitant at first, Shashikala accepts his feelings and her love for him, but Ravi's parents have arranged his marriage to the CM's daughter Rajini as a way of gaining prestige. Rajini tries to find Ravi with the help of the principal and Inspector Srinath, who happens to be Shashikala's father. Shashikala learns from the principal about Ravi's arranged marriage, and she runs away from him heartbroken after assuming that Ravi has cheated her. Meanwhile, Ravi finally realizes what has happened and goes home, where he is scolded for what he has done. His parents ask Shardamma to convince him to accept the marriage. Ravi instead becomes enraged and trashes his room in a fit of rage. Shashikala is yelled at and slapped by her parents for loving Ravi. Finally, Ravi goes to Shashikala's house and yells his grievances while jumping around and breaking more things. Realizing her love for him, Ravi and Shashikala emotionally reunite and run away the next morning. In response, Shashikala's father claims that Ravi kidnapped Shashikala and sends the police to catch them. Swapping positions with a couple in a wedding procession, they are about to get married until the principal, Professor Manohar, and their parents confront them. Ravi and Shashikala manage to convince their parents, principal and Professor Manohar. They all finally agree. Ravi and Shashikala get married and they leave to a countryside for their honeymoon.